Hi everyone, this is Mike Bonn with Cash Flow Company. Today we're going to go over something near and dear to my heart. How to make your lenders happy. 5 tips to make sure you get the leverage, the funding you need to get your projects done. Now the blueprint to investing is leverage, using other people's money to create wealth and income. The better your leverage, the easier, more profitable real estate investing becomes. What you're going to find if you look around is the better investors, the really good investors, attract better money. Better money means it is cheaper. It's quicker when it needs to be quicker, and it's easier, meaning it's just easy to obtain on any deal you want. You have to have flexibility. This is real estate investing. Sometimes you're going to need hard money, sometimes you're going to need banking, and everything in between. As a real estate investor, you want to be able to model those investors who are doing really well. Here's 5 tips from a seasoned lender. I've been doing this for over 23 years, just working with real estate investors, from hard money, bank placements, DSCR loans, and even bridge loans. Number 1 is tell the truth. Don't lie, because they're going to check background checks, credit, everything else. So when you're filling out an application or talking to someone, they're going to go through and verify and check what you're saying and what you're doing. If at any time during that some items don't match up, you didn't say you had a bankruptcy, but you did. You said you maybe had $20,000 in credit card debt and you have $200,000. All those kind of things will pop up. And once you don't tell the truth, stretch it a little bit, you're going to go to the bottom of the pile for a lender. Number 2, be educated on money and investing. Understand the terms, LTV, ARV. Understand the numbers that go into making profits from paying realtor fees, interest, everything that goes into a project. You should practice, you should understand, and when you're talking to a lender, they want to know that you're knowledgeable and understand the whole realm of real estate investing. And when you're talking about lenders making them happy, there's nothing more in this environment with all the computers, underwriting most things is credit score. Those with really good credit scores get the better terms. They go to the top of the pile. They make it easier for lenders. Here's an example. I just priced out a DSCR loan for a client. They told me they had a 740 credit score. The lender put it in, gave us great terms. When they pulled their credit score was actually below 680. Guess what happened? The lender turned cold on this borrower because now they know it's going to be more work. The better the credit score, the better the terms, the less work that you and the lender have to put into it. So you're going to get things done faster and have more options. As a real estate investor, you need the tools to be successful. The number 1 tool on the leverage side is have good credit. Number 4, what makes a lender happy is having skin in the game. That means some of your own money or friends' money, or you borrow from a line of credit like a HELOC, or just using credit cards to get some of that money. Whatever it is, the less that they have to put into it and the more at risk you have, especially starting out, you're going to find more lenders attracted to you. Number 5, finding good deals. Good deals are still out there, and guess what? They're getting easier and easier to find, and they'll be there in 2024. So find the good deals that are all in at 70% ARV and less. Put the work in. It's better to put the work in and find maybe 2 good deals a year than find 4 or 5 really bad deals that a lender's not going to fund anyway. All lenders are looking for a few things just to get you to the top of the pile, to have you looked at first, get you the best rates and the best terms. So remember now, if you're looking to get into real estate investing, leverage is key. Making lenders happy, having multiple different kinds of lenders is important to you. As deals come up, you want to be able to fund them, get into them. Not only that, but to cash flow, so you make more money, create more wealth. So remember these 5 tips to making your lender happy. Don't lie, be educated, get your credit score up, have some skin in the game, and work it. Go out and find the good deals. Spend some time, because it's not going to make the lender happy, it's going to make you happy, because you're going to create more wealth and income. If you have any questions on money, on leverage, reach out to us. Be glad to help you. And always check out our website. We have great free tools for investors just to make you more successful. The more successful we all are, the better it is for real estate investing.